আচ্ছা
restart.
আমরা ক্যামেরা অফ তো হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে
Yeah. So
স্যার হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার
how many questions we did? Can you tell me?
তিনটা করছিলাম স্যার লাস্ট ক্লাস
We did 3. Which 3?
ওই যে এই ডায়াগ্রামই শেষ করে ফেলছিলাম তো
So we did actually 1 and 3, and I told you to try till question 10, right? 2 was also left. Question 2 was also left. So did you try question 2?
hot air balloon is going on
Yeah, Navid told me one
স্যার
answer.
এটা করছিলাম না
This one you saw, you read, but uh, I told you to try at home. As your answer
স্যার আমার
was,
তো তো
as Navid,
অ্যানসারও দিয়ে দিছিলেন
most probably Navid was getting different answer, which one is not available in these 4 options.
স্যার I was getting different answer
Yeah, you are getting different answer. So what answer you are getting? Can you tell me?
না স্যার আমি তো মানে I did with the speed formula so
So
that
what was
answer
the
is
formula? What was the formula?
distance by time
Distance over time. So they
yes
are asking you about the height, right?
yes sir
So this hot air balloon is moving vertically upwards. And that time it has some speed, 3 meter per second, right? So if any object is moving and the sandbag, it is also inside the hot air balloon, that time it also has the same speed like the hot air balloon, isn't it?
yes sir
So what will happen actually? What will happen? It's not like something you are dropping from the top of your building, like you are standing at the roof of your building. Okay, then you are dropping anything. It's not like that. Something is going upwards, and from there you are dropping something. So what happens? What is the difference in between these two situations? You have to think of. Then use this idea. They gave you clue 5 seconds, right?
yes sir yes sir
So this 5 seconds will take entirely to reach the ground, right?
yes sir
So what will be the distance from the ground that time? The sandbag. We should find. There are several steps to do it. In one step or only one formula, you cannot finish this question. Think of.
okay sir
So I tried to give you some ideas, little bit ideas, not complete idea, but this little idea you try. With this little idea, I think if you try, you can go forward. Navid, have you got what I said?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you first you think that if you drop any object from your rooftop, that time is taking 5 seconds to reach to the ground. That time you can find the height of your rooftop using the formula h equals half gt square, right?
yes sir
Isn't it? Because when you are dropping anything, that time the initial velocity is 0, so s equals ut plus half at square. That formula, if you are using, your u is 0, so it will be ut will be 0, then h is the height, So h equals half gt square, you can say, right? Because your acceleration
Yes,
is
sir.
acceleration of free fall. So that one is straightforward formula if you are dropping, but this condition is bit different, right?
Yes, sir.
The sandbag has some speed at the beginning upwards. So Navid, can you give us some idea how we'll do this question? Have you have you thought anything about this? Hello?
Yes, sir. So speed of constant vertically upwards.
Yeah, it was moving. The hot air balloon was moving vertically upwards with a constant speed
হ্যাঁ
of
স্যার
3
স্পিড
meter per
কনস্ট্যান্ট
second.
ছিল
Hmm. So that time
স্যান্ডব্যাগ ইজ
I gave you one clue that the sandbag also has this speed when it was in
হ্যাঁ
hot
স্যার
air.
আমি এটাই বলতে চাচ্ছিলাম এটাই আমি চিন্তা করতেছিলাম
So it's like you are throwing something upwards, right?
জি স্যার
If you are throwing something
স্যার
upwards,
আরেকটা বিষয় একটু স্যান্ডব্যাগটা যখন পড়ে গেছে হট এয়ার ব্যালন থেকে হট এয়ার ব্যালনের স্পিড কি বেড়ে গেছে না
that's not our concern now. Like after the sandbag is dropped from the balloon, uh, the balloon's activity is now over. Now we will
Yes, sir.
focus only about sandbag because they are asking us about sandbag when what was the height of the balloon when the sandbag was released. So we should get the all information about sandbag now. Then
Okay.
then you can find the height of the balloon that time.
স্যার ফ্রি ফলের কি না একটা ছিল ফর্মুলা ছিল
Yeah, free fall. You can use the equation of motions for free fall also.
ওইটাই তো মনে হয় স্যার ইউজ করা যায় কারণ আর তো কোনো ভিজিবল অপশন দেখা যাচ্ছে না
Yes. So use
আর
that.
কোশ্চেনটা ইজ আ বিট ট্রিকি ইয়েট ইজি স্যার ট্রাই করি স্যার
Yeah, try it, please.
স্যার ইকুয়েশন অফ মোশনের ফর্মুলাটা জানি কি
There are 5 equations of motions. Now
হ্যাঁ
it's
ওইটা তো জানি
it
স্যার
ups to you which one you'll use here because they are saying about now time. They are saying you now about speed. We can consider it as initial speed, and we have also
ফর্মুলা অফ এক্সেলারেশন
Yeah, formula of acceleration, we have, yeah, acceleration formula you can use here.
So what is that?
What is that? You have it like V equals U plus AT. That one, right?
V equals U
U
plus
plus AT.
AT.
So if anything is moving upwards, it will be U minus GT. From there, you can find the time. And there is
U
another
minus
formula.
GT.
There
Yes,
is
sir. Which
another
one more?
formula. V square equals U square plus 2AS. If you use that, you will get the
Yes, sir.
distance or the height moved upwards. Okay.
Okay. স্যার, এখানে ভিটা তো 3 না স্যার?
V, no. V is your, look, the first thing here, we have 3, it's moving vertically upwards, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's your initial, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
you are throwing any object upwards, what will happen? At the beginning, it has some speed, and when it reaches to the maximum height, at once it will
It
be
becomes
stopped.
constant.
Yeah, it will be stopped, right? Then it will return back. So when it's returning back, before that it is stopped, right? So your at that
Yes,
time
sir.
your V is 0, final velocity is 0. So you consider that one, your V is 0 and your U is 3. Then you can find the time to reach the maximum height, and
Okay.
also you find the distance traveled that time upwards. Then it will return back, right?
Yes, sir. তাহলে স্যার সেক্ষেত্রে গ্র্যাভিটেশনাল ফিল্ড মানে গ্র্যাভিটেশনাল ফোর্স তো আমাদের জন্য 9 পয়েন্ট কত জানি স্যার?
8
9.8.
দরকার আছে আলাদা করে log 10 বা just log x
তাহলে স্যার ইউ আলটিমেটলি কত আসে?
U is there, it's given 3.
ঠিক আছে। 3 minus 9.8 into time 5 সেকেন্ড বলে দিছে। স্যার এই ফর্মুলাতে করি সেক্ষেত্রে অ্যান্সার আসে হচ্ছে
Yeah, Navid, are you trying or you are seeing only?
Sir, I'm trying.
Yeah, try it. Then tell me what is the time to reach maximum height. We have
Yes.
V equals U minus GT, right?
স্যার এই আমারটা তো 46 আসে আসলে ইউ মাইনাস জিটি যদি করি।
Okay, so your T, what will be T?
T5
T
oh sorry
equals
T
U
equals
by,
V plus V minus U by G.
your V is 0 here. V is the
Yes,
final
sir.
speed. It's maximum height. That time the object is stationary, so your V is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm also writing the note. V equals 0 at
Yes, sir.
maximum height. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so our T, what is the value of T coming? Say U is 3 and T is 9.81,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So what is the value of T coming?
So a very nice question. 3 divided by 9.81. So 0.31.
0.31.
31.
31 seconds. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this this time you just remember. Okay, we have to use this time. You see there is 5 seconds given, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to subtract this 0.39 from that 5 seconds to get another information later. Again, we have another step. Look, we are going to find now the height
Yes,
it
sir.
traveled. With this time, the height traveled. That one we are going to find using this formula: b square equals u square minus 2
2s.
s, right? 2dh we can say.
2gs.
Actually, 2as the formula, right?
Yes, sir.
This formula, actually, this one, I was actually going to do directly. However, now I'm doing it step by step for you so that
Ah,
you can understand. Now, your v square is 0, right?
yes, sir.
Because v equals 0, so v square also 0. Then u, we have some value, right?
Yes, sir.
We later write it, huh? We do another step for you. U square minus 2d h we can write, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So our h will be u square by 2g.
Okay, u square by 2g.
2g.
Okay. তাহলে স্যার
Then
সেক্ষেত্রে ইউ স্কয়ার কত হয়? ইউ
u
স্কয়ার
square will be 9.
9 আর
3
2g
square.
যদি করি 2 into 9.81, তাহলে স্যার এইটার অ্যান্সার 9 divided by 2 into 9.81 is so 0.46.
0.46
meter.
meter, right?
0.5.
0.46 meter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
we got this distance here, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
we have uh, another information about that is 5 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are now in a stage that sandbag is now stationary.
হ্যাঁ,
Sandbag is now stationary. From there, it's like the condition when you are dropping anything from the rooftop, right?
yes, sir.
Isn't it? So
Yes.
that distance moved you can find from this formula h, like I'm writing you the full formula first. H s equals ut plus
Plus
half it square. One formula you have, right?
স্যার আমাদের তো একটা চ্যাপ্টার হাজারটা ফর্মুলা আছে এখন দেখা যাচ্ছে।
Yeah, we have lots of formula, but you should know, or you should know how to apply those formula. What apply which formula?
7.13.
So this one, you see, there at that point when we are doing this
Log আছে দেখ,
condition,
log ওখানে চাপ দিয়ে log base
at this condition, we are saying the sandbag is dropped, right,
Yes, sir.
from the
ln
stationary position.
ln না
So your u will be 0, right?
Okay.
U will be 0 that
Plus
time. Then it will be h equals half gt square, right?
Yes, sir.
Because the sandbag is now falling down, so h equals half gt square. I'm writing the side note. U equals 0, 0 here. U equals 0 here. So h equals half gt square. If you use this formula, then your half multiplied g, you know, right? 9.81.
Yes,
And
sir.
t, what will be the value of t? T will be this 5 minus 0.31.
Which is 4.69.
4.69. So
69.
you have here a, that is g. You should write here 9.81.
You
Then
should know
t,
that about them.
t square. What is the value of t? Again say
That's 4.96. Sorry, 4.69.
4.69. Okay,
6-9.
4.69 square. Okay,
Oh,
it's square. It's square, right? 4.69 square. So you calculate
the
now.
answer is 107.
Okay, great. It's coming
Actually, sir,
100.
108 এসে যায়, 108 এসে যায়।
No, you
107.89 তো ওই
Sir,
9 এর
এটা
জন্য
কি
8
h is equals to 1 by না?
হ্যাঁ 1 by 1 by
listen,
1
listen,
by 2 into 9 into.
listen. Half into 9.81 into 4.69 square. What is the value coming? Just tell me that one.
Oh,
You go for next step later. Just wait. Okay,
yes sir.
tell me what is the answer you are coming.
107.89 তো আলটিমেটলি স্যার
7.89.
180 হয়।
108.
7.89.
107.89. So it is 108, right?
Yes sir.
108, sir. B.
Okay, wait. Don't be, so fast. Listen. So you got here 108, right?
7.89.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
So 8, exactly, this is not our answer. Exactly, this is not our answer. Listen, our answer will come if you subtract this distance from here. Okay, why we are subtracting it? Can you understand?
No
I
sir.
I should show you one diagram, then you'll understand it more.
Sure sir.
Because you have to understand it. Otherwise, you might not sleep tonight. Okay, because of this numerical problems. So I'm showing you the calculations, and calculation is all right. It is done, almost done. You will understand. So it was the balloon, right? Position of balloon.
Yes sir.
For example, it is the position of balloon when the sandbag was dropped, right?
Yes
From
sir.
it, and that position of the balloon, the speed was how much? 3 meter per second,
Yes.
isn't it? And as it has 3 meter per second constant speed upwards, so when the sandbag is dropped, it will move vertically upwards for a while, right?
Yes
Because
sir.
of that speed. And at this position, its speed will be 0. Okay,
Yes sir.
then the sandbag is returning back, isn't it? And it
Yes.
is ground coming to Farhan's house, beside house, that ground, right?
Yes sir.
And you see this distance gone up, that is 0.46, right? This much
Yes
is
sir.
0.46, but you calculated 108, that is from here to here, isn't it?
Yes sir.
But they asked you the distance from here, right? where
Yes.
where the sandbag was dropped. That's why we are subtracting 0.46 from 108. Is it clear?
Okay sir.
Then you will get exact answer. That's why I told that you are very close, but you are not at the end of the calculation. So here you give minus 0.46.
Okay.
Then you check what is the answer, final answer coming.
So final answer is 107.54.
107.54.
54.
That is also close to 108, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why we are taking B. Okay.
Again, Nitam.
No, you could give it before, but you should know the reality, right? Now,
বাস্তবতা বুঝতে হবে।
now for this condition, you are getting your this value, and after calculation they are very close. But maybe
Yes, sir.
the speed is sometimes maybe it is 15 meter per second. That time your this distance could
Height.
be a bit bigger, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you will not get 108, you will get something else different, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you should know the reality, how to do it, and then you can get the right path, straight path. Asan,
Okay.
Asan was saying today one wonderful thing, that
বিয়ে
he
করবে?
wants to start other topics also. Okay, so that he can go forward little forward, right? Take
Yes, sir.
No,
preparation
sir,
for the
I'm
exams.
telling them
আচ্ছা
give
আসান,
all
আমরা
the
না গ্রুপ
chapter notes
স্টাডি
which
করবা?
will come in AS level.
Yeah. So I was saying him that you first finish this one.
Yes, sir.
Wonderfully you finish and do the previous one also. Topic 2 is
Okay.
still you did not take the test. So Asan
Yes.
is taking tomorrow test 10 o'clock. What about Farhan?
তো কালকে দিব 10 o'clock নাকি জানি না, কিন্তু কালকে দিয়ে দিব।
Give
আবার
both,
রাত না কিন্তু সকালে।
listen.
ও স্যার
both-
কালকে স্যার বিকালই হবে আসলে দিতে দিতে।
Okay.
দিনে তো সম্ভব হবে না স্যার।
You tell me one appropriate time, then it will be actually practical. Otherwise,
প্র্যাকটিক্যাল বলতে?
this
ও
afternoon will never come. You say me the
না না স্যার,
exact
নেক্সট
time.
মানে কালকেরই আফটারনুনে, কালকের ওই 5টার পরে যেগুলো সময়, 5টায় যদি কারেন্ট আসে 5টায় বসলাম।
Inshallah. So you just give me a message, before
ওকে
5
স্যার, শিওর।
o'clock. 10 minutes or 15 minutes before 5 o'clock. Okay.
ওকে স্যার।
Okay. Our class time, you see, is going to be over. So you join after 10 minutes.
Sir,
Okay.
Sir, one thing.
Once
Sir,
you are closing.
Topic 2 MCQ.
Yeah, or MCQ only. And already
Topic
Nabil
2.
disclosed many things for you.
না না ব্যাপার না স্যার, এইগুলি তো জানি।
Yeah, Nabil.
নাবিদ তো স্যার মাঠে নতুন, আমরা তো
Nabil,
মাঠের পুরনো
they
খেলোয়াড় না।
will get now more marks than you.
Sir, okay, it's okay.
You already
আরে স্যার ব্যাপার না,
disclosed.
হার জিত থাকবে না।
Okay, so Farhan,
জি স্যার, জি
Farhan
স্যার,
Babu, please send it this this picture to our group.
শিওর স্যার।
Nice calculation. You see, this
Yes,
is
sir,
a
বিশাল
memorable
ক্যালকুলেশন,
time,
শুধু নাইস না।
memorable day.
এই হাসান, আমরা গ্রুপ স্টাডি করব কবে? তুমি এত কিছু করলা, গ্রুপ ট্রুপ খুলে ফেলাইলা।
এই যে থার্সডে পর্যন্ত, থার্সডে পরে পারান মানে এই উইকটা
পর্যন্ত কি তুমি
পসিবল
রিগোরাস
হচ্ছে
ট্রেনিং এ থাকবা?
হ্যাঁ,
থার্সডে পর্যন্ত কি করবা?
So
মানে এই যে আচ্ছা ইয়ারপর
Hasan,
করতে পারবা,
Hasan,
কিসের পর?
মানে এই যে ভোরের দিকে করতে পারবা।
hello
ভোর কি
Hasan.
5টায়?
ভোর মানে এই যে কয়টা 5 o'clock এর
এই স্যার
পরে।
ডাকে না, স্যারের কথা শুনো না।
Hasan,
স্যার yes
about
sir,
your maths, M1 and P1, right? M1
yes
and
sir.
P1, how you are doing? You are having any test on maths?
Sir, M1 is little bit tougher, P1 is same as admath, like
Same
which
as
I've done in
admin. So how you are doing in P1 test?
P1 good, but M1 medium.
Okay, then in commerce, which one you are taking? Business.
Yes sir.
So how you are doing in business now?
স্যার পড়তেছি এখন তো স্যার মানে টেস্ট শুরু হয় নাই।
Okay, okay. So, how much is done? 50%, 60% in your syllabus, maths, business?
Yeah, all about overall 55.
55%. So, when did you start that subject? Which
Yes, sir.
month you started? Starting
September.
September. Okay.
আসাম কার কাছে করো ম্যাথস?
Okay, business.
না না
Okay,
ম্যাথস।
you join after
Miran
10
sir.
minutes, huh?
ওকে
9:25.
আচ্ছা স্যার
Yes, sir.
ওকে
Okay.
Yes, sir. 9:55 না তো স্যার।
9:25, 25.
ও
স্যার 55 মানে অন্য দুনিয়ায় বাস করতে